Hey there, green thumbs. Ever dream of harvesting your own fresh organic produce right from your kitchen? Welcome to the world of hydroponic gardening. Today I'll show you how to start and grow your own hydroponic garden in even the tiniest of kitchens. Firstly, let's talk about the benefits of homegrown food. Growing your own veggies and herbs means reducing your carbon footprint, enjoying pesticide-free produce and saving on grocery bills. Plus, it's a wonderful way to connect with nature and learn about sustainability. Not to mention, fresh-picked produce tastes amazing and retains more nutrients. Now, let's dive into the types of hydroponic gardens perfect for small spaces. Starting with these compact systems are super space efficient and perfect for beginners. They usually come with everything you need: water reservoir, grow lights, and a pump. Great for herbs, leafy greens, and small veggies. Easy to set up, easy to maintain. Next up, these mobile units maximize vertical space with multiple tiers and can be moved around to optimize light exposure. Ideal for those who want to grow a variety of plants in a small area. For the DIY enthusiasts are a fantastic option. Construct a custom system where plants grow in holes drilled into PVC pipes with nutrient-rich water circulating through. It's cost-effective, customizable, and a fun project. Why do plants thrive in hydroponic systems? They get direct access to nutrients, optimal growth conditions, and faster growth rates. Plus, no soil means fewer pests and diseases. Starting your hydroponic garden is affordable and straightforward. Get a hydroponic tabletop garden starter kit, some seed packets, and basic tools. You can start for around $70 to $200. So why wait? Embrace the joy of gardening, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy fresh organic produce at your fingertips. Happy growing!